Good morning, students. Welcome all of you in this online platform of English Core. So, today in this class, I'll start a new topic in business letter, placing an order. Placing an order. What is then placing an order? You should know before we would start the format and samples. Placing an order is written as a purchase order for buying goods in any specific category, and in this letter the purchaser mentions the details about the product and specification related to the order. Okay, it is written as a purchase order for buying goods or any product, and the purchaser mentions the details about the product and specification related to the order. So, this is placing an order. Let us start. Let me take a question. Okay, we will discuss this one. Suppose a question is given: write a letter to Delhi Sports, Daryaganj, New Delhi, placing an order for sports articles like footballs, cricket balls, tennis balls, cricket bats to be supplied to your school. Sign as Rabi Rabina, Sports Secretary, Delhi Public School, Delhi. This is your question. Placing an order for sports articles like footballs, cricket bats, tennis ball and cricket bats. So, let us start. Sender's address, again that value points will write that side, but in exam you not write all these value points, we will start directly. Okay. So, sender's address. Start with sender's address. 2-line sender's address. So, what is that? Sender's address is there for the school site, Delhi Public School. We will write Delhi Public School. Second line address, Delhi. Leaving one line gap, we will write date. May 2021. Then again leaving one line gap, receiver's address. The manager, first line. Second line, what is that name given? Delhi Sports. This is the name of the company, Delhi Sports. And third line, Daryaganj, New Delhi. So, 3 lines, receiver's address. First, the manager, the designator. Second line, the name of the company, sports company, Delhi Sports. And third, the address. Then what we will write after that? That would come subject statement. Subject statement, here I will write subject. Placing an order for sports items. This is your subject statement. Next part is salutation. Salutation column will write sir / madam. Then my intro will start. Okay, let's start the intro. How to start? What would be the specific line of placing an order? Introduction part. Okay, so what we'll write here? We'll write with the reference to the quotation. With the reference to the quotation. What is quotation? A paper, agreement paper, okay, a written document through which we come to know about the terms and conditions of the specific company, details, discount, offers, everything. So, whenever we place any order in a bulk, we go through that quotation part. So, it is better to go for the quotation. So, this is the reference given to the quotation. Then we proceed to place that order. So, with the reference to the quotation dated on, we will put back date 10th May. Okay. Our school management has decided to place an order for sports items. Okay. The detail of the order has been specified. The detail of the order has been specified below. This is your intro part. So, that quotation part, this part is very important, vital. You have to mention. You had seen that document, the details, and then you agreed, interested, and then you are placing that order. Okay. Now, that specific details we have to write, we have to mention. So, that would be my body. Okay. That would be my body. So, what I will do now here, I will draw a box to be drawn. Okay. And that box will put serial number, name of the items, quantity, and this one discount, that this is question mark. Why? Because many of you write the discount. It is secondary, it is not important, discount part. That is why given the question mark. Here I will not mention, I will mention the serial number, name of the items, quantity, this much only, because the discount part already I have seen. I have seen the discount part, the details, and I am interested, that is why I am placing the order, it is not required. Okay? That is why that quotation part is very very important, quotation part. Then serial number 1 suppose, number 2, number 3, number 4, okay. Name of the items that we will mention one by one. What is given here? Suppose is given first. Let me take the question first. Football given, okay, football. Next is given cricket balls. Third is tennis balls. And fourth is cricket bats. Even the question is not given, then we have to produce, create. Bulk I will write for the school side, so bulk I will write. Football 60, number of items. Okay, so quantity 60, then cricket balls 50, tennis ball 40, and then cricket bats 30. So serial number whatever that I have mentioned 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you can write here, okay. Football serial number I have arranged, so serial number we will put here also, that serial number, the product name, cricket balls, tennis balls, and here cricket bats, because this column is name of the item. So better to write here, but in serial number I have mentioned whatever the product is there, and then the name of the items I have written separately here also. So you can write the serial number only here and name of the items, this column and quantity. And this one discount part I am not writing, okay, not required. If you think you can write discount 20%, 25%, 30%, 40%, you can write definitely, it is not required, okay. You can write that way, 30% is given, then here we can write 25%, here we can write 20%, here we can write 30%, and here we can write 25%, that way you can do. Just check once, serial number, name of the items I have written here, then the quantity is a bulk, that is why 60, 50, 40, 30, you can write more, placing from the school side. Next, that box to be completed. Okay. Next, what is there? Conclusion. Conclusion. First I will write all the items should be in good condition. This would be your first look, all the items should be in good condition, definitely. Next, the mode of payment, will be made by cash. You can write cross check also. Cross check also you can write. Once the items reach us. Once the items reach us. Clear? Next, what we will write? The items or the products must be delivered within 7 days. Okay. So, these are the conditions, these are the points that you must keep in your mind. All the items must be in good condition. The mode of the payment will be made by cash or cross check, whatever, and once the items reach us definitely, and the product must be delivered within 7 days. Okay. This much, not write more. Okay. You don't exceed the word limit, 120 to 150 within the word limits are there. Then the total letter, you mean the box. Okay. So, we will start that box here, then conclude here. So, conclusion, before conclusion of the box we will write, know that thanking you. Okay. Complimentary close. Yours, right, truly, TRULY, Y capital T small, name, whatever the name, what in the question the name was given, Rabi, Rabina, whatever, Rabi, let me take slash Rabina, whatever that you will write. Okay, Rabi, Rabina, and the designation, sports secretary. Now close the box. Okay, the box to be closed. Five marks allotted. Format, content, expression. Format for 1 mark, content 2 and expression 2. Total format 1 mark, content part, this body part, okay, the details and the expression part. Your use of word, framing of the sentences, grammar, no grammatical mistakes, all these will count for what? For your expression part. So, this is placing an order. You have to write the total letter, the whole letter in a box, and you have to create a separate box here. All the items must be in a box. This is very important. Okay. So, I am writing here, that would be better. All the items must be in a box. Okay. Check once, go through it, practice, any problems, then share with me. For this class, this much only, let me conclude. Thank you students for being with me.